is hidden.
Coming on to Jupiter Island, which is ridiculous. Tiger Woods has a place here.
Okay.
This is very pretty.
Look at the trees. They're
gnarly.
yeah, every one of them. New drawbridge ahead. We don't want any drawbridges. So we're going to the island. Lots of boats.
Something straight ahead.
Looks like a dead end.
Town of Jupiter Island. Well, we'll have to have a look there. See, South Beach Road. Oh, we're on South Beach Road. And the birding trail.
707. We'll go that way, come back. Stop. 4-way, all stop.
We can have a look elsewhere. It looks too busy. Unless you want to. Oh, Sound. Look at that. Beach Park.
Wrong way. It's supposed to go this way. It's so narrow.
There was a rain spot back there.
Yeah, we'll go around. Should I turn right then?
Yeah.